Okay, hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to solve this problem here. And it's not a problem, it's more like an update. So I got this, I don't remember when, but it was some time ago, saying that the Node.js 18 will no longer be supported on Vercel. And since all of my projects are on Vercel, I have to upgrade to Node 22, JS 22, okay? And then they give me all my properties or all my projects that are associated to Vercel, and they have the Node 18. So basically, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. So I already fixed it for one of my projects, and I'll show you how to do it for the rest of them, or maybe just one of them. Okay, so here you can see that there's two commands, and this is the way that you see which projects are affected. Maybe you cannot find this email or something, but then I'll show you how to do it with the command line, okay? So let's go to your project. Okay, so once you're on your project, you'll see something like this. And here, this is the Alt AI project. You can see here. And if we go to, well, this one is the package.json. So that's where you want to go, okay? Here, I don't have anything. I don't have like the engines here, but I'm going to add it and then I'll change it, okay? And besides that, you have to do something else because it's not going to work if you just change it here. All right, so first things first. Let's go back here. And let's go to your terminal, and I'll show you here. And here we're gonna issue the following command, which is the one that was from Vercel themselves that they gave it to you in the email. And I'm just gonna copy paste this. You have something like this, okay? So this is gonna install Vercel latest. So this is just gonna connect to Vercel and it's gonna show you which projects. This is like an SLI for Vercel, okay? So once we issue that command, we just wait a little bit. Okay, so once you have installed this, then you can do the following. So then we can go here. I'm just copying this from the email. Okay, going back here, paste it. Okay, so this is the project, right? So, okay, so this is the command, okay? So it says Vercel project ls, which is list, update required. So it tells you which one needs the update, right? And then the scope. And here it gives you like Vercel teams log, right? So here you have to put your team's name, and where and how do you find that? Let's go look for that one, okay? So basically what you have to do is you go to Vercel. I'll show you this. So let's just go back to Vercel. And here you have all of your projects. And if you go to the top, you'll see that this is the name of your project. Or they want this log, right? So if you go to the top, you see that this is the name of your project. So this is the name of your team, right? Or the Vercel teams log, right? And then you just have to add like a dash here. Or easily you can find it here in the URL. So then you can just copy this. And this is on the dashboard, by the way. So then you just copy that. And go back here. And instead of Vercel teams log, you'll replace it by whatever you have there, right? In my case, I have Bolt 1794S projects, and then I'll just click enter to run this, and then you'll see that it says Vercel CLI and the version, and then it says these projects are deprecated, so you have to change the Node.js version, and you can see it here, okay? And the list of the projects is right here. So this one, Alt AI, which is the one that we're currently in, is using Node 18, and properly listings AI, same thing, okay? Okay, so how do we fix that? So the way to fix that is to come here to the package.json. So just go to your source folder, go to the package.json, and all of this, we'll add it. So I'll just add that by the tab, but I'm not gonna choose this version. I'm gonna choose, it should look something like that. Maybe let me replace this. And I'll just paste what I had here. So Node 22, and then whatever version that is, right? It could take any of the versions that Vercel offers here with the X there, okay? And that's the only change that you have to make here in the package.json, okay? And before you push the code, before you commit these changes, we're gonna go once again to Vercel. So let's go back to Vercel, and let's go to the project that you need to change the Node version. So we go to Alt AI. You can see here this banner saying that you have to change it before August 31st, 2025. Okay, I'm gonna go to settings. So you'll go to settings, then you go where it says build and deployment, scroll the way down, and then you'll see that once again the banner saying, or the warning saying that you have to change it. And then here we're just gonna select the version that we wanna, the new version that we set in the package.json. In our case, it's 22.x. We just say save. Okay, it's been updated. So now we can go back to here, and now we'll push the changes. So we'll just say git add. Let me see if I don't have any more changes. No, yeah, that's it. Okay, and then just git commit, upgrade of Node.js. Okay, and then we'll just say git push. Once we push this, we just wait a little bit. Let's go back to Vercel, and we'll double check that it's working. So Alt AI. Okay, so now we see that it's been deployed successfully. And now if we go back, or you can check from here as well, if you go to settings, once again, build and deployment, just scroll down, and now you'll see that you have the new version here because we changed it, right? And if we go to the terminal, once again, we go here, and then once again issue the same command that we issued before. Now you'll see that we only have one of the projects there, which is the property listings AI. And I'll change that one as well. But this is how you update the Node version for Vercel, new requirement, and try to do it before August 31st so that you don't get any problems after that. And if this was useful, just let me know, leave it a comment, share it with other people. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.